All right, this is part 3 of the Drawing 5 tutorial. So far, this is what we've got. We need to finish our angled plane and these pieces here, and we need to cut out the square in the center. Now that we know where this corner is, and we know our angled plane, we can add this line. So if we come from this corner that we had just found, you can actually connect that corner to the very bottom edge. That's going to fill in the angled plane. It's on the same plane. It's the same angle. We didn't have this corner before, so we couldn't start there. So I'm going to come back here. We're going to close in. Now we've got the entire front surface of our piece. I'm going to delete these two lines because they don't belong there. Now, the last thing we need to do is connect these points. So I'm going to come from that corner. I'm going to come straight back on the axis on both sides. On the inside part, you're going to look for the on face, and then you can connect the back part. On the side here, there's really no line. Whoops. I'm going to undo my erase. We have to close in this side first. If we close that in, we should be able to delete this line. All right, so this part is all done. That side looks good. We're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to grab our pencil tool, carry our corner over on the axis, and then on the inside, we're going to carry it to on the face. And I'm going to connect those 2 points. On this side, I didn't connect the top and the bottom, so we'll do that. Those parts look good. And we can delete this line right here. Now, the last thing that we need to do is the cutout. This cutout is tricky because we don't have dimensions from the back, and we're cutting in at an angle. So I'll show you how we're going to do that. We're going to use our tape measure tool, and we are going to come over a distance of 18 because you see 7 is the width of this part, and then there's an additional 11 millimeters to the corner of our cutout. So we're going to go a total of 18. Now the tape measure tool is going to give you a little mark that you can work with. So we're going to come from that mark, and it's also going to let you measure on the surface. So when it turns pink like this, it means it's measuring along that angled plane. The dimension in the drawing shows us it is 7 millimeters up the face from the bottom edge. So I'm going to type in 7. Now this is the bottom corner of that cutout. So from there, I can come straight over a distance of 17. And I'm just using the measuring tool right now. We're not drawing any lines. And I'm going to go up a distance of 17. Now that I've got this general shape, I can come back with my pencil tool and I can draw in my square. So I'm just drawing over. Now these last parts, if you notice when I carry my pencil tool up, it's going to fill in that line for me and ask me if I want to connect those 2 points, and I do. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click there. Now I can delete my measurement line, and I've got, if I can find my measurement line, it doesn't want to go away. All right, we'll leave that one there. To finish this shape and make it an actual cutout, what we need to do is carry each of the corners through the back of the shape. So I'm carrying the line from the corner straight through. Notice it's on the axis. So I know my line is straight. Carry the top corner and the bottom corner. What that's going to do is show me where those 4 corners of that square would be on the back surface of this shape. Now I can connect those 4 lines that I drew through, and that's going to show me my square. Now we can use our eraser tool, and we can erase the lines that are sticking out. And basically what it's doing is it's trimming it down to the edge of our shape. And if you take your mouse and you right click on the center, you can drag down to erase. And if you spin around to the back and right click and erase, it will cut out that shape through our surface. The last thing I see is our measurement line, and the darn measurement line doesn't want to go away, so we're going to leave it there. But this would finish drawing 5, so you can turn this in through the Schoology Drawing 5 folder.